Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved this hair in less than 30 minutes. It's a crochet hair. Please stay tuned and don't go nowhere.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Abigail Ifoma. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve or how I do my crochet hair. Please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to cornrow my hair. So I'm just going to section the part I want to cornrow and then start cornrowing it. So I'm going to add a little bit of extension, that's attachment, to make it last for a while. So right now I'm just going to comb the hair and then add a little bit of extension to it and then start cornrowing.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
So at this point I'm done cornrowing the back side, so I'm just going to move to the front side just like that and start cornrowing the hair all back.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
So right now I'm done cornrowing the hair. So what I'm going to do is to crochet the tip of the hair, that's just to secure the tip, and then start crocheting. Guys, here is the hair I'm using. So what I'm going to do is to take it out from the pack and start crocheting.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
So at this point, I discovered the cornrow I made was a little bit spacious, and it's not gonna be okay when I crochet the hair on the cornrow. So that's why I'm crocheting it on the side, just to make sure the pattern is a little bit close. So what I'm going to do now is to crochet the hair on the side part. So right now you can see I'm not going to pass the pin through the cornrow. I'm just going to put it at the side of the cornrow, just so it can be a little bit closed. So what I'm going to do is to pass the crochet pin through the hair, that's through my hair, and put the hair on the hook, close the latch, and then pass it out from the other side, and also put the hair just like that, close the latch, and then bring the hair out and then draw it, just so it can lay very well. So that's just what I'm going to do. And then for the side, just to make sure that place is a little bit full, I'm going to put small hair on that part, and then we are good to go.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So I hope you all are enjoying this video. Please, like I said, if you do, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Please give the video a big thumbs up, because it helps my channel, it helps my video. Also consider subscribing if you haven't. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much. For my old hobbies, you guys are the best, you know how we do. Yeah, please also drop it at the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from, and if you are also new to my channel, so I can give you a warm welcome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna